Sure.
Which is, you've already made assumptions about what we're doing, right? You're claiming that he called backup. He didn't call backup. I just showed up.
Right.
So it seems like you have some predisposition about us already, and I don't think I've been anything but cordial to you, because I'd love to be cordial to you and promote First Amendment stuff. It's great. He gave you a reason to stand back, right? And the reason he does is because I don't think you understand from our perspective sometimes the stuff that happens.
I don't understand from your perspective.
Yes,
How many law enforcement officers do you know that somebody came up to them with a camera and hurt them? How many do you know?
Well, he didn't know that you were coming up with.
I'm just saying, if we want to talk about, I'm big into statistics, right? And facts and actual real evidence. There is not one case of somebody who's recording like I am, outwardly recording, going up to a law enforcement officer and hurting them. That's just not.
Because that would be counterproductive. You wouldn't record yourself doing that.
Right, exactly.
He's not afraid that you're recording.
Then why back up? Then why give an order to back up?
Because we have to maintain our level of safety in what we do.
Right. So that means you're afraid.
It's not that we're afraid.
If you weren't afraid, you wouldn't tell me to back up.
We have to control the situation because we do not know what you're going to do. You could be that one case. We don't know. That's all I'm saying.
Right. Listen. I'm all for everyone's safety, but you know, when you tell somebody to back up, you're doing that. You're using under the guise of officer safety. And again, like you said, no one with the cameras ever hurt any law enforcement officers before. It doesn't happen, Deputy.
I haven't looked into it, right?
Right. I mean, you never heard of it, right?
No, I haven't.
Right.
That's true. But I just wanted to explain to you that does it seem that you want to, when you tell us that we're escalating something, but in the end you say, okay, well, Deputy, nobody with a camera is ever going to hurt you.
I was just trying to explain. I didn't tell him that. Listen, can you understand from my perspective? I waited till he was done with the traffic stop. I realized he was done with the traffic stop, and I just wanted to talk to him and say, hey, listen, not everybody with a camera is trying to hurt you. The public is not trying to hurt you.
I do not think he thinks that.
I don't know what he thinks.
Right, okay. But I'm just explaining to you, do you not see how that in itself might be escalating the situation? Because it seems a little like you're taking a jab at him, right?